Hey everyone, it's Adam here. In this video we're going to be installing SW-Motech's front sliders. So here's basically the diagram for the driver's side and then passenger side. They do suggest some medium strength Loctite and 8 Newton meters of torque when you're done. Luckily the front hub you can see straight through. So this is a pretty easy install. You know, I originally thought actually I would have to remove the front hub, but no, I was wrong. Don't have to. So we've already assembled one side. So you've got your bolt here with a washer, and then you've got your spacer over here. This is the longer side. This goes on the this side. And the other side is basically the spacer goes inside, and then you've got the same setup with the bolt and the nut or the washer like that. And a beautiful sticker that says SW-Motech on it, which may come off after a few cycles, but whatever. And you are given 2 little caps just for keeping things looking nice and tidy. Those will also get lost over time. And then nice thick bar for your slide. And we're going to be using Loctite 242 for this, of course, not the high strength stuff. So they're telling us to apply some Loctite to this left side. Going to thread this onto here. We're going to run this through like that. And then for this side, we're also going to apply a little bit of Loctite and do the same thing. That's it. And we actually might need to cross screw these. Yeah, because when I turn this side, that side's going to turn as well. So I got to get another one of these for their side. There we go. Pretty cool, huh? Look at that. Now just pop this right on. Yeah, that's going to come out over time, but whatever. It actually seems like it's kind of a pain in the ass, though, when it comes time to change this tire. Those are going to kind of be in the way, aren't they? But, well, that will be my problem, actually. That actually is going to be my problem when it comes time to actually do something about it. Let's take a closer look before we get this done. So here is your front view. Comes out pretty far past the hub. And then the other side. Now you can see here how this cap is kind of in there. I bet with a pick you can get it out pretty easily. There's a little bit of edge there. Doesn't turn. It's in there for sure. So, oh, and you know, as usual, I paid full price for this. I think it was $44.99 from Twisted Throttle. I will link to it below and where to buy. Looks great though, doesn't it? That's a little bit of front weight, but you won't have a problem still moving around. It's going inside of your normal hub. So, all works fine here. All right, guys, thanks for watching and ride safe.